Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect ChatGPT to the live internet. First, go to your Google and search for Web ChatGPT Chrome Web Store. Click on the first Chrome link. Here is the ChatGPT Chrome extension. Now, click on Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension. ChatGPT with internet access has been added to your Chrome. Now open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Open the link openai.com. Here, click on Try ChatGPT. Wait for it to load. Here, you need to connect your VPN. Here, set these settings. Start asking any questions. Here you go. ChatGPT will start generating answers for you. Thanks! Leave like, subscribe, and share.